Yeah. We are north of Duluth, probably about 45 minutes, I suppose. This is the second tunnel, actually, north of Duluth. There are lupin flowers everywhere, so we had to stop and get some pictures. Angel loves her flowers, so there's a bunch of different color ones. Looks like pink, white, purple. I'm actually standing right now, right on the top of the tunnel, looking over the highway. So that's south. That's Lake Superior right there. And we'll keep walking over here and see what we come across. So there's some white lupins. Those are pretty cool. That purple. There's just so many. There's Angel down there picking her way through. Really rocky in here, a lot of small rocks, pebbly. So I think I've wiped out 2 or 3 times now. Angel's wiped out once. If you guys know what these little orange flowers are, post a comment. Oh, there's some pretty interesting yellow ones too. Here, let's look. All right, so these are the orange ones. And we have some yellow ones. I see these all the time, but I don't know what these are. They're really soft, like a dandelion. So if you know what those are, put it in the comments. Surprisingly, I don't see any bees either. I figured these things would just be buzzing with bees. I don't see any yet. Oh, look at all these trees they're all cedar trees. Yeah, I gotta walk up in there and look a little too. Yeah, so as we're looking at these lupin flowers, we came across this really neat cedar patch. So we're just kind of walking through here, checking it out. Cedar trees are really cool. It's a tree that doesn't rot. If you ever see driftwood, or you ever see maybe a fish mount on a piece of driftwood or driftwood in people's gardens, that's typically what it is it's from the cedar tree. Cedar doesn't rot. Everything's definitely greened up. I haven't been bitten once. I don't even see a wood tick. Yeah, so there are no flies out. There are no mosquitoes in here, no wood ticks. It's first week of, actually it's the last week of June. I figured we'd be just getting them out in here. Nothing yet. Get them in perspective here. Wow.
They stand out so much.
They do.
Purple in the background.
Look at them all. Oh, I got the sun in my face.
There's a pink one right there.